What's up, ladies and gents? This is your girl Amanda, and I'm coming back to y'all with yet another mukbang, or however you pronounce it. And y'all, I was contemplating whether I should come and actually do this mukbang because, as y'all can tell, y'all can hear from my voice. My voice is messed up. It's crazy because yesterday my voice was just fine. And if y'all saw my vlog from yesterday, I was just fine. I wasn't doing a lot of screaming or anything like that. I don't know what happened, y'all. But yeah, the voice is crazy. And FYI, yes, I still do have my Christmas placemats down because I like it, okay? So, but I have all my other decorations down. But anyway, y'all, I'm eating some Campbell's chunky soup. I have two different kinds in my bowl, y'all. I have the pub style chicken pot pie, and I have the chicken and dumplings, the creamy chicken and dumplings. And it's the Campbell's chunky kind or whatever. And I got some croutons. This is the cheese and garlic kind, give it a little kick to the soup or whatever. And I thought soup would be a good thing for me, especially with my voice and stuff like that. It's kind of what the doctor ordered. And something that was warm and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So yeah, I just put a little salt and pepper, just a little salt and pepper in here, honey, because we don't like bland food, even though it's already high in sodium and all the other stuff. But I didn't feel like cooking anything else, so this is what it is. And plus, it's buy one get one free at Publix. Look, the chunky Campbell soup was buy one get one free at Publix, so yeah. This was buy one get one free at Publix too. So I always get their BOGO deals at Publix and things like that. Excuse me. So yeah, I love the garlic and cheese crouton. I love them. But yeah, I just woke up this morning, y'all. My voice was just like this. Yeah, I do suffer from like sinus problems and stuff like that. So it's not, I'm not sick at all. Like, I'm not really sick. I did feel bad on Sunday. I felt really bad on Sunday. And I felt better yesterday. But then I woke up this morning with my voice like this. But I'm like, I didn't do no screaming. I didn't do none of that. So it doesn't hurt. It's not scratchy or anything like that. So I don't know, y'all. I got water. Try to do a little fancy, honey. You know what I'm saying? Be a little fancy. Got my little all-purpose glass that I put everything in, y'all. No matter what it is. We go from water to some wine, baby. Well, look. Real good. And y'all, if y'all have a question about my unit that I'm wearing, y'all need to check out this video. It will be published in the morning at 10 a.m. to give you deets on this unit right here, because I did make a video about it. So y'all need to check that out. Yeah, I hadn't done a hair video on my channel in a long time. I used to make them a lot back in the back day, but yeah, so I said, you know, I'm doing different things on my channel, so Y'all, it's the hot. Darn. But yeah, so check out this video if you want to know about this unit right here. I love the color. I'm loving this color on me, honey. I'm not even gonna lie. I love it. So, but like I said, I'm trying to, I'm doing some of everything on this channel. So, but I used to do hair videos a lot. About a year, let me see, last year. The last time I posted a wig review was last year, I think. So, or was it last year? I can't remember. But yeah, I'm just rambling. I'm sorry because I'm trying to get this soup to, I should have let this soup cool down before I actually got on camera, honey. What was that thinking? I wasn't thinking, apparently. It's good. Something different for the night. You know. Gotta blow it off. Look. Ooh, I know y'all don't. I know y'all done ate something hot and burnt the top of your roof or burnt your throat. I do that all the time when I'm trying to I'm trying to blow it. I ain't trying to get burnt, and some be burnt. On top of the roof, your mouth be burnt. That stuff hurts. Okay. It really hurts. Oh. Yeah, I'm almost at 2K on this channel. Almost at 2K on this channel. Okay. So y'all need to spread the word and tell everybody about my channel because I'm almost at 2K. I'm in the high 1800s. I think the last time I checked, it was like 1,866. I think something like that. So I'm about 100 and something shy of being 2K. So hopefully in the next month or so I can get to 2K. That would be nice. I do have over 2K on my other channel. Actually, I have almost 3K on my other channel. So, yep. I have 2 channels, y'all. Totally different content on the other channel. Although I have done some mukbangs on my other channel, vlogging on my other channel as well, but it's different content. But then I have a lot more views on my other channel. I do have a lot of more views on my other channel. I have like over 1 million views on my other channel, so y'all, I just had a coughing fit. Like, I was just coughing. Like, it was crazy. I was just coughing crazy. Like, so, but yeah, of course I'm gonna have to. I don't know what. I don't know what was going on. But that. It's still hot. Wow. That is still hot. About time to burn me. Oh, yeah, I forgot. How's everybody's day going? Hopefully everybody today is going good. Yeah, I hope everybody's going good. Oh, and if you are new to my channel, y'all make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can see more videos like this. But I actually do more things on my channel. I do a lot of different stuff on my channel. I have a variety channel, so you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, because I get bored really fast, very fast. So I do a lot of stuff on this channel. So if you want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe as well. And I don't think I did a thumbnail, so I gotta do a thumbnail, right? So let's do this thumbnail. Hold on. Look. Let's get this stuff situated here. Look. No. This is in the spot though, y'all. It really is. My co-host is not with me. She's excuse me. She's in the back. I hear those helicopters. I wonder what's going on. What's going on? Is somebody running from the police? I'm just y'all know how, like, y'all see those suspenseful movies, and the helicopters be hovering around. It's because somebody running from the cops. And then here's the kicker: the person who's running from the cops busts into my door back there, and I'm like, oh, shocked. Yeah. Those type movies. Yeah. The ones that be funny. But I love comedies. I like all types of movies, really. I do like horror movies. They're actually funny to me. Horror movies are hilariously funny. Love them. Campbell soup. So what's your favorite Campbell soup? Do y'all just like the plain soup, or y'all like the chunky? If I'm about to soup, it's gonna be chunky. It gotta stick to my bones, and you know, like all that good stuff. So yeah. I don't think I'm gonna stay. I don't think I'm gonna be too long on here, only because my voice sounds crazy. It's jacked up, y'all. I can crunch on some croutons. But my voice is starting to I'm starting to cough. That was good. That hit the spot. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this mukbang because I feel like I'm about to start coughing. And I don't want to be coughing. And just, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it off, y'all. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. Excuse me. Y'all comment down below and let me know what your favorite Campbell's soupy is. Hey, just let me know down below. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like these. And y'all stay tuned for the next video. Alrighty.